Oh, hello there. I'm sitting here along the Puget Sound here, and it's a beautiful day. Down here with a friend of mine that's just gone off to get coffee. He forgot the coffee in the car, and we're having lunch. I'm using the HOBO stove for heating some water, and just wanted to say hello. This HOBO stove has worked incredibly well. I mean, I just really have been very happy and impressed with the way it works. It's very simple, and we're enjoying it today. Since the first video I made on it along the Puget Sound, here a couple months ago, I've probably cooked more than 50 hamburgers on it, and it really works well. So we're experimenting around today and trying to see just how well it does in heating our water. Let's have a look at that HOBO stove. And there you see the setup. Right there. And it seems to be working pretty good. We're getting plenty of heat up there. I don't think our water's boiling yet, but it will. And it's working good. So we'll talk to you a little bit more later after we have lunch.